Hi, I'm Dr. Willis, founder of Advanced Functional Medicine in San Diego. We are an integrative medical clinic that practices functional medicine exclusively. Over the past decade, our clinic has seen thousands of patients with a 96% success rate in patient outcomes, making this a very effective style of care. We can also work with you remotely, even in other states. Do you have health concerns like diabetes, thyroid problems, difficulty losing weight, digestive issues, hormonal imbalances, inflammation, fatigue, blood pressure problems, cholesterol issues, anxiety, skin issues, or even infertility? Or are you just not feeling your best and you'd like to feel better? Are your doctors not giving you answers and only prescribing you drugs? There is a better answer. It's called functional medicine. We run very specific tests to find out exactly what is causing your issues, what the body's imbalances, deficiencies, sources of inflammation, food intolerances are. Then we customize a very specific dietary, nutritional, and supplemental plan to help you reverse those issues. This is true healing from the inside out versus merely using medications to mask symptoms.
Look better, feel better, function better. Advanced Functional Medicine.